Let's be honest. You've made a plan before. You felt inspired. You wrote it all down. And still, nothing changed. Why? Because making a plan is easy when you're feeling good. But life doesn't care how motivated you are. The real question isn't, can you plan? It's, can your plan survive stress, laziness, failure, and still move forward?
Chapter 1. The Paper Hero Trap. Here's what most people do. They create a perfect plan on paper. Every detail, every hour scheduled. Wake up at 5 a.m. Gym at 6. Work till 4. Study from 5 to 8. Sleep by 10. Perfect, right? Until you oversleep, miss the gym, get stuck in traffic, or just feel low. One small disruption, the whole plan collapses. That's the Paper Hero Trap. A plan that only works when life behaves, but life never does. You don't need a perfect schedule. You need a flexible system that bends but doesn't break. Chapter 2. The Rubber Band Method. Here's how science says you should plan. Start small, very small. Example, instead of study for 2 hours, say read 1 page. Small wins create motion. Link tasks to habits you already do. Example, after I brush my teeth, I write 3 priorities for the day. Expect failure. Missed a workout? Plan a 5-minute stretch instead of quitting the day. Track progress weekly, not daily. If 4 out of 7 days worked, you're improving. That's the truth that builds consistency. Your plan should stretch like a rubber band, not snap like glass.